got a new M2 in the shop?
Yes, sir. Another one. So we've done a lowering spring setup on these first.
Yep.
Now we have front mount intakes.
Sweet. Which are MAD intakes.
Gotta, you know, tear the bumper apart, and nothing like stressing over a brand new car. But we'll get it. So yeah, front bumper's gotta come off. Stock intakes, take them out, throw them away, do whatever. And then we're gonna put some Mad Performance ones in to make some noise and hear the turbo spool.
Sweet. I guess before we do that, should we give a stock comparison?
Sure, might as well.
All right, stock exhaust, stock intakes. Go for it. Not much whistle going on there.
Not at all.
Carbon buckets.
I'm a big fan of that.
You gonna put those in M5?
No. You know how much these things cost?
Probably way too much.
Dude, they're like 8 to 10 grand on eBay.
What'd you buy this?
When I buy today, it was not off the Snap-on truck. It's Matco, clarinet wrenches. You need these.
How much for those?
$100. Now I got a full set. Snap-on would have been $300 all day. Oh, those are legit.
These are cool. I like these.
Oh, are those carbon?
Oh, that's just
Yes.
fortune somebody spent on some crossbars.
They sell everything.
Hey, you know, they were supposed to get back with us. They never did.
What for?
I'm pretty sure they did.
Did they? They were responding great, then they quit on us, so.
You want me to just tag them on YouTube?
Yeah, tag them. Speedhaus 405. Email us. But those are cool, though. Those are legit.
Yeah, I like them. Because that's been the biggest thing. I don't like the stock bars. They're dumb.
They're terrible. Now I gotta look those up. Take guesses how much they are?
Let's see.
$2 grand.
That expensive? I wasn't gonna say that. I was gonna say, like,
say that.
1,200. I mean, it's a brand new M2, so it's got to be.
And I haven't seen that before, so, and they're carbon. It's gotta be a fortune.
This video is about intakes, and we're totally off topic.
Yeah, we're off the Kai's not responding back, and they're strut breaks.
Who said 1,200?
I did.
Yeah.
Trevor's on the money.
I knew there was a 2 somewhere in there.
For starters, pulling the trim off, just little push pin clips. And we'll pull all these T30 bolts for the top half of the bunker. Ta-da. To get it loose, then I'll pick the car up, pull the wheels, and start pulling like fender liner bolts and the trim around there. And then it should have a bottom set of bolts for the undershields. Essentially it comes off. A couple of plug-ins, comes off, we'll throw it on a fender stand so it doesn't get scratched. Start tearing stuff off for intakes. A lot of screws for one fender liner. I'm going to start pulling what I can on the top side as far as filters and the housings, and then I will get ready to pull what I need to underneath and in the front. And there's that. Got it. My bad. Removal of all the stock. Nobody likes stock around here. So there's a few ways you could do these. You could leave this intact and you could cut a hole here and try it. Personally, I don't do that. I will take a straight line across here and I'll cut the top section out. That way we have more room and it leaves this bottom factory retaining tab to put it back in place. And so I'll just cut across the sides and across the middle and leave it be. O-rings in both pieces. Make sure you have those. If you have a leak, get ready to start piecing this thing together. All the fun. We may move that as we go, but that's the initial piece. running out of piles of parts here, so that is a good sign. Got 2 more clamps to put on this side as far as the piping goes, and then the inlets or intakes themselves are officially done, and it's just a matter of putting all the trim back on and making it look like a car again. If you're doing this at home, be very patient, but otherwise everything can be done with hand tools. We're using all electric stuff, which is you can run to Home Depot and grab all that, but there's no specialty sockets or anything like that, so it's all Torx or, you know, like a 13mm bolt essentially. But yeah, just be patient is the biggest tip I can give. Intakes are officially on. They're adjusted. We you know, like the positioning on those. So next step, I'll grab a second set of hands, get this bumper, and get it hung back on the car.
I cannot wait to see what these things sound like.
Intakes are in, bumpers on, wheels are on, fender liners are in, everything's torqued to spec. So ready to fire it up and see if we can hear the intakes.
Sweet. All right, stock exhaust, stock intakes, go for it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's way louder than before. Yeah, I think when the you know, the valves are open on the exhaust, it just drowns it out, but when it's closed,
You can hear them?
yeah.
Excellent. I'd say next step, get some driving footage of it and see if we can hear it in the cabin.
All right, let's do it. You know, we normally do outside first, but today, I guess we'll start with the inside. Get to sit in the carbon seats. If you haven't noticed already, this does have a Valvetronic mid-pipe on it now. While the car was in the air, we went ahead and did that, so that'll be in the next video.
So we're gonna keep that shut off for now and just see if we can hear these things. That's probably mostly all exhaust, but we'll try again. Definitely exhaust on that one. So all I hear is the valve open up and exhaust noise.
Yeah, see what it sounds like from the outside.
If you're not familiar with Oklahoma, our roads are not the greatest.
Absolutely terrible.
So we have to pick and choose where we go. Yeah, definitely. The car's just really, really quiet on the inside.
Oh yeah. Dude, I can hear him all the way down there. That's the key, you gotta be on the outside.
Yeah.
How is your hazards on?
Like when I stop car, they automatically come on.
When you stop the car?
When I stop the car.
Oh, the hazards go on?
I guess. The buttons, I know. I turned them off. The button's right there.
Did you hear the intakes?
Yeah, I can hear the intakes. Just now?
Yeah.
Cool, yeah. I can hear it. I guess I could blow off or do something. It made some noise. I don't know what it was.
It's quiet in the cab. I can't hear nothing.
It sounded good when you left. It sounded good.
Yeah, we were sitting there debating if we could hear it or not, but you gotta be on the outside.
Yeah, you gotta be on the outside, for sure.
Well, I guess that's it for intakes.
Yes. Overall, very, very well upgraded. I like it.
10 out of 10.
Yes. It pairs well with the grills. So that's what I'm
Okay, that is it for this one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you like the new M2s, if you hate the new M2s,
Don't let us know if you hate it.
that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.